Welcome kids, the Great Wall of China, a dragon's journey through history. Welcome, young explorer, to an incredible adventure that takes us back into the time one of the most legendary places of Earth, the Great Wall of the China. Get ready to discover the secret of the against wonder that winter it is way through the mountain like a giant dragon. Are you excited? Let's dive in. Did you know that Great Wall? It is not just wall. It is like a dragon with its head, body, and tail. The builder were so clever. They even used watchtowers to keep an eye on the surrounding. Join us as we explore the different sections of the wall, each with unique features and maybe even play a game and get the seat in the watchtower. Legend and myth as we walk along the Great Wall. Let's listen to some fantastic stories and myths passed down through the generation. Legends say that the wall was built with the help of magnetic surgeons and powerful dragons. Can you imagine the adventures that took place along the ancient stone? Let your imaginations run wild as we uncover the history of the Great Wall. Our first stop is the loose bamboo forest, a favorite playground of our black and white friends, the giant pandas. Did you know that pandas eat almost nothing but bamboos? Join us as we explore the bamboo-filled paradise, learn about different types of bamboo, and may even try Nibu oversoul. It is time to embrace them. Get ready to meet some real life pandas. We will visit panda sanctuaries where their furry bell of joy are cared and protected. Watch them roll, gamble, and much no bamboos will we learn about their habits, lifestyles, and why they are special China. Can you sport to be baby pandas being exist playful? Panda playtime in Panda Paradise. Pandas love the climb, slide, and have a good old time. Join us as we witness their playful antics and then maybe even try out some panda-inspired games. Can you bird like a panda or balance on the leg like a bamboo loving brook? Let's talk about how important it is to protect our panda friends and their habits. Discover the effort of conservation who work tirelessly to ensure the well-being of these affordable citizens. Learn how we can all play a part in keeping Panda Paradise and safe and happy.